The Jeannie and Kyle Joe. Whoa. Hey, Jeannie and Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making banana split slime. And there are going to be 4 different slimes. The banana part, the strawberry ice cream, the chocolate ice cream, and the vanilla ice cream. I'm so excited for this, aren't you guys? Woo! So, the materials I will be using are some Elmer's glue. I have a gallon here, which I'm pretty excited about. A bowl and a spoon. I'm using some flour just to give it a little ice cream texture. I'm going to be scenting my strawberry. And this is purple, but it's pink, so. Yeah, and then the chocolate coloring, and I'm not sure what I'm going to smell it. So, let's get started. I'm going to be making the pink one first. Let's go. First step is to pour your glue in. Just so you guys know, I did overactivate this one and I had to make this one again. So I'm just telling you guys that. Now mix, I put a little bit of dye on the spoon. Just so you know. Starting to turn a little pink, but you guys can hardly even tell though because it's not very pink. And keep adding the food dye until you have your perfect color. After you've got your perfect color, here's mine. Then add your smell. I have to add a little water to this, but let's hope it smells good. Okay, so that smells pretty nice. So then, get your perfect scent and mix it until or add as much as you need until you feel like it's the perfect smell. Now, I'm going to add a spoon or 2 of flour. And this, I did put a little bit of baking soda in this, so yeah, we'll put that much. Oh, that's about 2, maybe 2, yeah, about 2. It's become a super consistency. You can't really smell it too much, but hopefully I'll be able to smell it once I've activated it. I'm looking at all my smells just to make sure I don't have anything. Nope. Okay. So now we're going to add our activator. Let's go. Okay guys, so I had to switch bowls because the other one cracked. So here we go. This is it. And it's really sticky right now, but I'm going to start sort of kneading it because it feels like it's going to be really good. And just so you know guys, the contact solution method did not work for me. So I just decided to do some borax and water. This is borax in my little Elmer's glue. It's really cold right now, but I guess that's kind of funny because it's ice cream's slime. And I'm only going to be selling this in 2 ounce, like for the sets, because then it would be like a ton of money if it was like 4 ounce or 8 ounce. Or 12 ounce would be really expensive. Ooh, it's nice. Okay, everybody, so I'm totally finished. Whoops. So I'm totally finished, and so I'm going to be separating it into 2 ounce. And this is probably going to make a lot of 2 ounces, just so you guys know, because it's a lot. And it's a butter slime, and it kind of feels like a ice cream. So let's start packaging. That's how much a 2 ounce is. Okay, everyone, so now we're moving on to our chocolate. So, let's go. I have my secret recipe, and it's perfect. I'm going to show you my recipe. Some glue. Add as much as you would like. Get a spoon. Check the consistency. Always good. Okay, and then put some food dye. I recommend not adding a lot of this because it's so dark. So I add bits at a time. But it has all of like chocolate. Okay, guys, so I just added the wax. I couldn't record it because it dries so fast, and it's starting to like trick and stick to the sides. But it's starting to get a little more clumpy, but that's all right. So we're gonna add just a little bit more food dye. And mix it. Make a difference. Not always. I can't really smell it too much now, but when I activate it, I will. So I added a pretty good amount of flour just because I feel like the flour wasn't doing its job. So we're going to add a little at a time. One ring. Okay, everybody, now it's time for the vanilla one. I'm so excited, and this is so nice. It smells so amazing. I mixed two different smells. It's jasmine and lemon, if you're wondering, just because I did not want the vanilla to color the slime. So it's super nice. Okay, guys, here's the slime. It's really soft, and this is going to be my banana split one. And I need some more yellow color, so add a little. And then it should turn more yellow.